Ann's FabFitFun summer box has arrived. And I picked some fun and interesting things. So let's take a look. I was most excited for this first item. It is from a company called Business and Pleasure. It is a tote bag style cooler. And Anne was desperately in need of a new day cooler. Yes, the one we were using was something that my dad received from his workplace back in the 1970s. I'm surprised it was still in any shape to perform as a cooler, but it's definitely past its prime. The fun thing was, not that it really worked anymore, but the fun thing with that one was it had a radio built into it. Anyway, with that being said, we now have a new day pack cooler for the beach or day trips to Disney or the park or wherever. This is a good sized item. I did notice, if I'm going to be picky, I did notice that some of the decorative stitching around the top is not quite as neat and tidy, but that's the least of my worries. I'm just happy to have a day cooler that is not ripped and falling apart. So let's see if we can get this thing up so you can sort of see the size. Yes, that's right, Kim. Take hold of it, and we're going to hold it out here. So it is definitely of a good size. We'll bring it up a little bit, so hopefully you're seeing something. Peekaboo. There is a pocket on the front, so that's nice. You can put something in there. Not only does it have a regular handle, it also has a padded, sort of padded shoulder strap, which is adjustable and is removable. So that's another plus. And there is plenty of room down in there. Camel, you look like you're about to fall in. Darn, I was hoping there would be some snacks in there. I'm hungry. Sometimes I think all you think about is food. Well, I like a good snack. Anyway, I'm very happy that this was an option in the FabFitFun box because I was going to have to get a new cooler for this season anyway. I've got it now. This is stated to have a retail of $99. And honestly, I don't know if I would pay $99 for a day pack cooler, yet when it's part of a subscription box, hey, I'm all for it. And again, this is by a company called Business and Pleasure. Next up is a product from Volition with a suggested retail of $46. This is a moisturizer with the added gradual self-tanner in it. I've tried Volition products before and I've been very pleased with them, so I thought I would give this a try. It says that it is the Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Body Moisturizer, and it has collagen and squalene in it. And it supposedly improves the look of firmness, provides a gradual healthy looking tan, it smooths and hydrates for long-term moisture. Hey, it's worth a try. I come pre-tanned. I don't need a soft tanner. Well, aren't you lucky? Yes, I am. I'm excited by this choice. For her third choice, Anne picked a set of resin coasters with a suggested retail of $40. These are by a company, I think this is Ririku. I don't know how well that just showed up or not. Can't say they exactly put the label on straight, but whatever. It does have little feet, so that helps also to protect what you're setting the coaster on. I thought they were kind of cute. Maybe not my favorite color pattern, but having an extra set of coasters never hurts. And they look to be fairly firm, so hopefully they don't give out after one use. Next, from Thrive Cosmetics, with a retail suggested of $26, is a lip tint. I've got some Thrive Cosmetics lip products that I haven't gotten to try yet, but this looked interesting, so I thought I would add it to my collection. This is in the shade Cara, I think. Let me check here. Cara Minted, no, not Minted, Cara Muted Rose. And I'm going to put this over here so the camel doesn't swallow it since she said she's hungry. That is the shade. And since it is a lip tint, it won't necessarily be that dark on your lips, but glad to be able to add another one. I've heard lots of good things about Thrive Cosmetics. I just haven't gotten to try them yet. But this is going to be lip product number 3 that's waiting to be tried. So I look forward to giving it a try. From Freck Beauty, with a suggested retail of $22, we have the original freckle. This is designed to let you make your own freckles. And I've got a little project that I'm working on, and I think this would be a cute addition to my makeup look. So that's why I picked this one. And last but not least are some little covers for the girls. This is from a company called Gatherall. Has a suggested retail of $28, which is a little more pricey than what I normally spend on these little covers for the girls. I normally get them at CVS, but they were there. It was an option, and I decided let's give it a try and see if it's better or worse. These are washable, meaning that you can then reuse them. And they are waterproof, so you could feasibly have them on in the swimming pool so that in case things were a little see-through down there, across there, over there, it would help keep things a little more modest if that was your choice. These are lightweight, ultra-thin, washable, reusable. And I picked the shade Cream, which, in all honesty, I mean, unless you're wearing a white t-shirt, I don't think the color really matters. So I look forward to giving these a try. I think if I had to pick my top 2 from this box, I would go with this little itty bitty freckle maker and with that great big day pack cooler. What did you pick if you got this box? Or did you see something that you like? Let me know. I am a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. We have lots of fun adventures. So a quick little nitty gritty, FabFitFun is making a couple of changes. Yes, they changed some things starting with the summer box. Starting with the summer box, $69.99 for seasonal members. It was $59.99. So now it's $69.99 if you're going to pay each season, but seasonal members now get to make a choice in each of these 6 categories. Before, they only got to make a choice in 4. I think this is a better option to let people choose what they want in all the categories. I think so too. I am an annual member, which drops my price down to about $55 a box. And I've always been able to pick all 6, which is part of the reason I wanted to be an annual member, was so I could pick all 6. And at the moment, I'm hoping the price stays at $55 annually because you have to pay all of that up front. But at the moment, it is a sizable savings compared to the seasonal subscription. This box comes out quarterly or seasonally, depending upon how you want to call it. So I was very pleased, in all honesty, with everything that I chose. I will say, I think the category that the coasters were in, I think that was the one category where I really didn't know what to pick because I really didn't like all of everything. Coasters are a good option, but can't hurt to have an extra set of coasters around. So very true. Thanks for taking the time to join us today on our adventure through FabFitFun. We hope to see you in another video. Check out what's popping up on the screen. And I think I have a link down in my description box if you're interested in trying this box. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.